My dear students, good morning to all of you. Hope so you all are fit and fine and doing your work regularly. In last class, we have done standard units of length. Today we are doing measurement of length. Measurement of length. First of all, we should know about the measurement. To measure short lengths. जब हमने short length measure करनी होती है बेटा, we use a dash. But we have already done. But we use a ruler. What we use a ruler. The unit used to measure small length. We have already done this definition. The unit used to measure small length is, small length को जो हम measure करते हैं वो होता है centimeter. But is the short form of centimeter is cm. So now we are starting next concept, measurement of lengths. How we measure the length? If we have to measure the length of a glue stick, there are two ways to measure the length of any object. First is right method, second is wrong method. I am explaining how we do it right. If we are starting from 0 and this along with the ruler, अगर हम उसके साथ साथ बेटा रखते हैं, this is the right method to measure the length. But the next method, which is wrong method, when we keep the things as like as this. This is the wrong method of the measurement, because there is not the right to do measure anything. This is the right method along with the ruler. But if we are doing as like as this is not the right method. So now we are reading here. Keep the ruler along the glue stick as shown. The glue stick should be along the ruler and not slanting as shown. We have already seen both methods. Now, if the ruler is broken, and it is starting from 1, okay, then we will start from 1, okay, we will start from this point and we will subtract 1 from the total length of the object, as like as this. If we are starting from 1, the length of the glue stick is how much? The length is 10. So we will subtract 10 minus 1. The exact length of the glue stick is 9. So now we are doing next exercise 4. Look at the pencil and fill in the boxes. Yes, look at the pictures. The length of a pencil with the help of ruler and the length of a pen is dash centimeter. And second sum, measure the length of these objects using a ruler, your math book, your comb, length of a spoon, a chalk, hand spin, your eraser and your sharpener. So do it by yourself. Thank you.